As occupants are working, some unscheduled painting needs to be completed in a nearby space. Array's EnviroSmart Plus technology detects and automatically increases fan speeds to mitigate the increase in VOCs, sending real-time data to Array Relay, which communicates the heightened TVOC levels to the BMS. Short-term VOC exposure can cause headaches and asthma attacks, while long-term exposure risks organ damage and even cancer. With Array's TVOC sensor, the BMS is able to trigger action with the HVAC system to increase ventilation to help reduce TVOC levels.